To the east, the stunning Montana Rockies were cut into their present shape by massive glaciers during the last ice age. The crystal-clear waters of Lake McDonald form the largest lake in Glacier National Park, at nearly 10 miles long and almost 500 feet deep. Today, Glacier National Park preserves what is known as the crown of the continent. This pristine ecosystem spans over 1 million acres, and together with the Waterton Lakes National Park in Canada, became the world's first international peace park in 1932. Nestled in the very heart of North America, glacial runoff and rainwaters from these frozen mountain peaks flow to the Pacific, Atlantic, and Arctic Oceans, forming the headwaters for many major North American rivers, including the Missouri.